Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Lottie files to After Effects via Bodymovin, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Lottie files to After Effects via Bodymovin, start by opening your Adobe After Effects project. Ensure you have the latest version of After Effects installed on your computer. Next, visit the Adobe Exchange or GitHub to download the Bodymovin plugin. Install the Bodymovin plugin by following the provided instructions for your operating system. Once installed, open After Effects and create a new composition or open an existing one. Design your animation using the available tools and layers in After Effects. After completing your animation, navigate to the window menu and locate the Bodymovin panel. Open the Bodymovin panel to prepare your animation for export. In the Bodymovin panel, select the composition you want to export. Specify the destination folder where you would like to save your exported Lottie file. Before exporting, review the settings in the Bodymovin panel. Make sure all required layers are selected for inclusion. Click on the Render button in the Bodymovin panel to export your animation. Wait for the rendering process to complete. Locate the exported JSON file in the folder you specified earlier. Now, you're ready to implement your Lottie animation in your web or mobile projects. To do so, upload the JSON file to your projects directory. Use a Lottie player to load and display your animation on your platform. That's it. You've successfully connected Lottie files to After Effects via Bodymovin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.